So we're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes right now. Like I said, we were waiting for these boxes to come in, and I can't wait to open them. So let's go ahead and start with these boxes right here. So a company by the name of FittedVisions hit us up and asked us if we need any type of suspension for our cars. And I originally was gonna plan on staying static on the S13, but I realized that being bagged is so much better than being static in so many different ways. So they're nice enough to help sponsor the build. We're gonna go ahead and open up exactly what they sent us right now. So we're gonna start off with this box right here. I believe this will be the air tank. I'm super stoked on this. This is actually one of my favorite mods to do to a car, is actually bagging them. Alright, so this is a 5 gallon or just like a 4 gallon? I think it's like a 4 gallon.
Yeah, that looks smaller than a 5 gallon.
Man, this is a nice tank too. Look at this thing.
Wow. That's like brushed.
Yeah, like a brushed aluminum.
Oh wait, what? This is an airlift tank.
That's an actual airlift tank? That's sick.
That's the same tank that we have right there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because oh, this one is different. It has, what is this? Oh no, that's just a blocker. Oh, okay, that's sick. It's an actual airlift tank rated for 200 psi. So this is a compressor that we got right here. Oh, they're by air?
Yeah, they're name brand parts.
Wow. No Air Max?
Nope, all legit.
Let's see it.
It's all wrapped up.
Oh. Wow.
444C compressor. This bad boy.
That's
I'm
nice.
probably gonna take the other compressor off the other one too, so I can run dual compressors. It's better to run 2 compressors because then the runtime on your compressors will be shorter and the compressors will last longer, as well as the runtime to fill up the tank will be cut like in half. So it's always good to run 2.
On the 350Z, it filled up super fast.
Yeah, once you go to 2 compressors, you won't go back, because 1 compressor compared to 2, gigantic difference. Look at this big box for this little fitting. So this is a fitting pack. That's pretty cool. So this is the 3-piece system right here. This is actually the same system that Christine is running in her car. I do recommend you guys go ahead and pick you guys up a system similar to this, if not this same exact management. We're not sponsored by Airlift, but like I said, I do recommend this setup because the features that it comes with for the price, I think it's worth it. It is pretty simple to install manual air suspension, as far as like wiring up pressure sensors and stuff like that, which I do have in another video. But if you're looking to just get something that's pretty much plug and play, Airlift is the way to go. So this is the harness right here. Essentially, you just pretty much need a power, a ground, and an accessory wire or ignition wire, and that's all you need.
Chill and relax.
So this is actually the box that I'm most excited to open up. This is actually the FittedVisions air struts. Now this is a complete air strut already assembled. As you guys know, we do a lot of conversions from coilovers to airbags, but this is gonna be a complete air strut setup already installed and already assembled. So I'm actually super excited for that. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here we go, guys. First look. All right, I forgot they were gonna send us some goodies as well. So first off, we got some FittedVision t-shirts. That's sick. I think they sent us out one for me and you.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's so sick. Look at this.
Oh, that's cool.
And they also sent us an body.
Oh, really?
Oh. We can hang this up with our collection that we started of our own body fights.
Yeah.
That's so sick. Yeah, they also included all the air fittings and stuff that you need, as well as the damper adjustment knobs. All right, here we go, here we go. Damn.
That's cool.
This is nice, man. Oh, this is sick. Yo, this is some nice quality pieces right here, man. Look at that. This thing feels solid too. Because of the
Has camber adjustment?
camber top plate. What's it called? Pillow ball mounts. So these, I believe these are the fronts. These have the pillow ball mount, the camber adjustment up on the top, as you can see. And then let's see if we can find a rear in here. This is a rear right here. Damn. Yo, these are so nice, guys. I'm super stoked to install these.
And it's good that they're super slim too.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say too. They're super slim. As you guys know, like the, especially in the rear, you can't really fit like a bag over coilover setup. You actually need a really, really slim bag because even with the coil, like the actual spring, it's actually very, very tight fitting back there. So you're gonna need a small bag like this, which I'm super stoked on. So I'm super excited to get this kit installed. As you guys can see, I opened up a ton of packages. It feels like Christmas all over again. I just wanna go ahead and give FittedVisions a big shout out. If you guys need anything for your car, especially suspension related, make sure you guys go ahead and hit them up, all right? They can get you exactly what you need, shipped directly to your door, okay? We're gonna go ahead and install these in the next couple episodes, so make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe. I hope you guys are excited. And let's go ahead and get on with that giveaway that we did last week. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we're gonna be installing this in the next couple of episodes. Again, we wanna give a big shout out to all you guys who support us here on the channel. If you guys wanna go ahead and cop some merch, make sure you guys head over to carshopbloom.com. Again, all proceeds go straight back into the channel to help create better content for you guys. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Peace out and stay good.